Welcome back to the channel! Today we're stepping away from the towering skyscrapers of Dubai and stepping back in time to explore the captivating Souk Al Seef. Situated along the historic Dubai Creek, this stunning waterfront development seamlessly blends modern charm with traditional Emirati heritage, offering a unique glimpse into old Dubai. In this vlog, we are trading the glass skyscrapers for mud brick architecture, winding alleyways, and the authentic soul of the Middle East. It feels like stepping into a movie set of ancient Arabia. This part of the city serves as a window to the Emirates' deep heritage. While Dubai's breathtaking skyline and luxurious lifestyle are truly awe-inspiring, it is in the lanes of old Dubai that one can witness authentic Emirati culture. Visiting old Dubai will feel like traveling back in time, from a futuristic landscape to a town that preserves its roots. Hugging 1 kilometer of Dubai Creek's shoreline, the 2.5 million square foot development has two sections: a heritage area featuring old architecture and a second space featuring more contemporary structures. The eastern section includes a number of heritage-style cluster buildings with the intention of recreating the memory of old Dubai along the banks of the Dubai Creek and extending the existing historical district of Bastakia.
Jadi ini adalah kita lagi sedang mengunjungi situs bersejarah juga. Dahulunya ini adalah perumahan-perumahan Arab, tapi kembali dipugar oleh Raja Arab pada tahun 1980-an dan sekarang menjadi objek wisata yang sebelumnya menjadi pemukiman. Jadi yang tadinya di sini ditempati oleh beberapa orang mulai dialihfungsikan menjadi toko-toko souvenir dan wisata heritage atau untuk sebagai spot-spot foto Dubai pada masa lalunya.
Each house or building within the section has a story of its own. Some buildings are designed to look as if they were built in 1960s with darker walls, less lighting, and simple decorative elements, while others have lighter walls with much more intricate details and embellishments on the facade. Grand Souk Deira is a vibrant marketplace located in the heart of Dubai's historic Deira district. Known for its rich cultural heritage, this bustling souk is filled with an array of shops selling spices, textiles, gold, and traditional handicrafts. Visitors can immerse themselves in the lively atmosphere, enjoying the enticing aromas of spices and the colorful displays of goods. A key highlight of the souk, you'll find a huge variety of aromatic spices such as saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, sumac, and dried herbs. These make for both practical gifts and fragrant souvenirs. Look for handcrafted items like brass lamps, incense burners, decorative trays, and traditional coffee pots that reflect Emirati craftsmanship. Souk Al Seef places a strong emphasis on the region's proud heritage and presents forward-thinking elements that showcase the area's natural beauty. Paying tribute to this traditional time, Souk Al Seef has introduced an open-air floating market. The bustling Dubai Creek has been the lifeblood of locals for generations. It was the favored site for early settlers, becoming the city's first port and home to a thriving pearling industry. Today, it is still a lively spot, continuing to attract visitors year-round. For only $1, you can hop aboard one of the many traditional ferry boats, known as abras, to cross the creek that separates the Bur Dubai and Deira neighborhoods. The journey is one of the most affordable and authentic experiences in the city. An abra, which means to cross in Arabic, runs every few minutes throughout the day between 4 stations along Dubai Creek. The first route goes from Dera Old Souk Abra Station near the Spice Souk to Bur Dubai Abra Station west of the Textile Souk. The second, much busier route runs continuously from Al Sabka Abra Station to Dubai Old Souk Abra Station. Riders usually sit on a central wooden bench for the short journey. Take a trip in the mornings to observe local merchants dropping anchor for trade, wooden dhow boats parked in a colorful array, and the occasional ship sailing past. Admire spectacular views of old Dubai, including traditional houses, wind towers, and minarets. Which part of Souk Al Seef did you find most Instagrammable? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. We love hearing about your experiences. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends planning a trip to Dubai. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching.